Here's meteorologist Michelle Muscatello with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
And there's no belly aching in the weather department, at least today anyway, right, Michelle?
No, my pick of the week, and so far panning out with a beautiful day, spring-like, with temperatures right now outside our studios in the low 60s. The brightest half of the day, though, already finishing up, and we are going to see some changes as the afternoon gets underway. We're still quiet, though, over Rhode Island and southeastern Massachusetts as we widen out the view a little bit. You can see that even into New York and trying to get into around New York City, a couple of rain showers and sprinkles. These are running into dry air, so initially they should dry up as they fall through the cloud cover, but we are going to see those clouds tending to fill in as we get into the afternoon with temperatures right now in Providence 61 degrees. We're getting used to these 60-degree temperatures, but they're really not average yet for late March. Wind chill 59, winds out of the southwest, a little breezy at 14. And did you notice the humidity only 20%? So it's part of those gusty winds, a dry afternoon that's helping the river water levels recede. But we're still above flood stage at the Patuxent River, more than 2 feet above flood stage. And again, river water levels probably won't fall much over the next, say, 24 to 48 hours as we pick up some additional rainfall tonight and into tomorrow morning. There are big-time changes on the way. Bob and Fall River 59 with bright sun. Brad and Cumberland has a beautiful day at 62. And Kelly and Westport 61 with a mild spring day. Cooler along the coast. Newport's in the middle 50s with that southwesterly wind. Pushing 60, though, in Coventry and Johnston. Cumberland both at 61 degrees. Here's satellite and radar. So again, hitting that dry air, but you can see more showers up to our north. There's actually a cold front and an area of low pressure over the Midwest and the Great Lakes right now. And all of this is going to be sweeping in, and it's going to bring some dramatic changes, much colder weather as we get into Friday and the start of the weekend. Some of the coldest weather we've seen since mid-February. Futurecast for 2 o'clock this afternoon already showing the clouds rolling in, but notice we're dry even into the start of the evening commute and the majority of the evening. This is 11:30 at night, so we're seeing steadier rain starting to move in around midnight and continuing into the overnight hours. Now, cold air is sweeping in. The showers again, front moving through our area. 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. It's a wet morning commute. Watch what happens at the very tail end of this. Cold enough that we may even see a few wet snowflakes mixing in. This may be a little bit slow with the showers exiting. Second half of the day looking dry with clearing skies. Just very chilly temperatures. So we go from 62 this afternoon into the lower 40s, almost 20 degrees colder for tomorrow afternoon. So fading sun today, mild and breezy, 50s at the coast, lower 60s farther inland, and southeastern Massachusetts finding 50s on Cape Cod, about 58 for New Bedford and Fall River. Overnight tonight, that steadier rain starts to develop. Temperatures will be dropping through the 40s into the 30s by 5 o'clock in the morning. And again, over the morning hours, that's when we may see that wet flake mixing in. 8 o'clock in the morning, 36. I mean, we may hit 43 for an afternoon high at 2. And despite sunshine, we're in the 30s at 5 o'clock tomorrow evening. And the winds will be adding to the chill in the air. Saturday, we start off the morning in the middle 20s. We only climb up into the lower 40s. And then Sunday, we see some improvements starting in the 20s, but at least we hit 51 for an afternoon high. More rain early next week, and it could be another round of heavy rain, and that may keep the Patuxent River flooding even longer for the folks in Warwick, West Warwick, and Cranston. You can get your updated forecast 24 hours a day on the Pinpoint Weather Station on Cox Digital Cable Channel 125. We have the latest on our rivers on the Pinpoint Weather Station as well.
Did the 70s even happen last weekend, Michelle?
Last Saturday, 73 degrees.
Distant memory at this point, all right.
That's March in New England.
Hope you enjoyed spring. It lasted 2 days. No, we're kidding.
All right, thanks, Michelle.